Our platform also enables you to set up your own email signature, which will automatically appear at the end of every email you send. To configure this, navigate to the Outreach Settings section and select Outreach Accounts. Then click on the blue Settings button corresponding to the account for which you wish to set up a signature. In the editing interface, choose Add Signature. You have the option to select from 3 pre-created templates for the signatures. Pick the one you prefer and fill in your information in the fields provided on the right side. Alternatively, you can create a custom signature by selecting Custom Signature and crafting your unique signature style. Remember to click Save to complete the signature setup process. If you have connected multiple Outreach accounts and would like to use the same signature, you don't need to set it up in each account separately. In the signature settings, navigate to the Copy Existing option. Select the signature you want to copy and click on Save. The signature will be copied from the selected email account.